आप कस्टमर को 100 अगर दे सकते हो तो बॉस 80 प्रॉमिस करो, सो दैट जब आप उसको 100 दोगे तो कस्टमर एकदम ओवरजॉय हो जाएगा, डिलाइटेड हो जाएगा. दैट इज अ फॉल्स स्टोरी. This entire bogey of under promise and over deliver creates mess with all the stakeholders, the user as well as with you. Hi, this is Sushil Mungekar. In last 20 years of my career, working as a professional in corporates or working as an entrepreneur on my own startups, and then again coming back into the education system and working on nurturing entrepreneur mindset among children, I realized one thing, that our current education system needs a definite, immediate and a constructive change. This channel is mere an opportunity to connect a parent in me with a parent in you. Under promise and over deliver. आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, this is supposed to be one of the most successful mantra of management and in fact giving the best customer delight. But according to me, this is the most humbug advice that you can get. आप कस्टमर को 100 अगर दे सकते हो तो बॉस 80 प्रॉमिस करो, सो दैट जब आप उसको 100 दोगे तो कस्टमर एकदम ओवरजॉय हो जाएगा, डिलाइटेड हो जाएगा. दैट इज अ फॉल्स स्टोरी. आप एयरलाइन पे जाते हो और जो सेक्टर को केवल 1.5 घंटा लगता है एयर ट्रैवल के लिए, उसको 2 घंटा बताया जाता है और फिर 1 घंटा 50 मिनट में पहुंचने के बाद में सारे एयरलाइंस अनाउंस करते हैं कि हम समय से बहुत पहले पहुंच गए एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज वी आर मेकिंग यू डिलाइटेड. सच अ फूलिश वे ऑफ डिफाइनिंग कस्टमर डिलाइट. This entire bogey of under promise and over deliver creates mess with all the stakeholders, the user as well as with you on 3 counts. Number 1, आप जब 100% दे सकते हो और उस जगह पे आप केवल 80 कमिट करते हो, इसका मतलब कस्टमर को आप कहीं ना कहीं शॉर्ट चेंज करते हो और उसमें कस्टमर को कोई अगर दूसरा मिल गया जो 100% दे सकता है, then customer will actually shift from you to that person. You will lose the customer. And not only that, even if the customer is sticking to you, he is actually not very happy that he is getting 80 when he actually wanted 100. नंबर 2, आप जब 80 कमिट करते हो तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं 100% करने का मोटिवेशन निकल जाता है. 97, 98 हुआ तो भी 80 से ज्यादा है एंड दैट इज व्हाट यू विल अल्टीमेटली एंड अप डिलीवर द कस्टमर. दैट एंटायर मोटिवेशन टू रीच 100 इज गॉन एंड इनवेरिएबली you will be lying between 80 to 100 where you have not given justice to your own capabilities. And number 3, it will never push you to stretch your limits and go beyond 100, go to 105, 110 because that is never promised. So why would you actually do that? You are making a false joy in something which you are delivering to the customer, which anyway you were supposed to do and anyway customer was expecting. So what's the big deal of customer delight? सही मानों में the real trick is deliver to promise. Promise 100% and deliver 100% because customer will be very happy that you had promised something and you are actually delivering to that extent. And if you can really better and go from 100 to 105 and 110, that's the real customer delight because you have stretched your limits and you have ultimately given something which customer was not expecting. Not only he was expecting, but he was not supposed to get in whatever you had promised, and then you are giving that kind of additional thing. That is a real customer delight. Think about it.